far as when it comes to the exclusive ground reports, let's get you more exclusive information that is now coming in, because what has now been said that there were not one but other multiple cars in question as far as when it comes to an alarm that was raised from where this Ford EcoSport, what is now being said, that was on the hunt by the security agencies. And for that very information, we have Shivam joining us live right now. Shivam, teams from the NIA, the NSG, Bomb Squad, Haryana STF, Faridabad Police are still there at the Khandavli village where you're reporting from. What is this story behind this EcoSport car?
Exactly, Amita. It has been more than 13 hours since all these agencies are on the spot and they are carrying their probe here. Just 200-300 meters away from here, there's that red EcoSport car that is in contention. Remember, since yesterday the hunt was launched about this particular car, as it was said that there were 3 cars which were involved and EcoSport being the third one of them. Here you see the police officials, the NSG commandos, the bomb squad, the Haryana STF, all these teams are on the spot. They are carrying out intensive investigation, intensive probe in the entire area. The bomb squad came last evening around 8 and it has been 8 in the morning. So it's been more than 12 hours since all these agencies are currently on the probe and they want to check each and every patch of this particular area. They also are trying to investigate since when this particular vehicle was parked here, and you see here the NSG people also. Now there is a little bit of movement that is happening in this entire area. The squads that are present here are now leaving. Some of the vehicles are now shifting to other places, and it is expected in a very short while that we could see some major updates coming from here. Remember, the EcoSport is still parked somewhere inside this village for security purpose. The access has been blocked, but the investigations are still going on. The intensive investigations are still going on since last night. We have seen the deployment only increasing these entire last 12 hours. The entire last night the deployment has only increased, and again the police and the other investigative authorities are just trying to get the trails of behind these cars. When was they parked? Was there any explosive?
So what exactly was this car used for? We're going to get you the details, because Shivam is reporting right from the spot where this EcoSport was found, and there are multiple teams of the police that you see, including that of the NIA, NSG, Bomb Squad, Haryana STF and the Faridabad Police, who are still there at the Khandavli village, and the probe has been ongoing. Thank you, Shivam. We'll come back to you. But when we speak of these 2 cars in question, one is the EcoSport, the red EcoSport, and one is the i20 Hyundai car, which was used in the blast, which exploded near the Red Fort. Now let's take you through. As far as the i20 car is concerned, it was used in the deadly Red Fort blast. It had a HR, that means Haryana registration number. The red EcoSport, as far as when it comes to owned by the bomber Omar Nabi, who was there behind the wheels driving the i20, it had a Delhi registration number. Now, as far as when it comes to these 2 cars are now concerned, it is now been said that the terror suspects, or the terrorists now we call them, was actually seized and it was found abandoned in Haryana. And that is exactly when we talk about the particular use of these cars are now concerned, which one of them earlier, as far as the i20 is concerned, was found to be parked in that Al Falah University that we just played out that ground report from. So all of these, especially when it comes to the vehicles, because that i20 was laden with nearly 80 kgs of explosive when the explosion happened near the Red Fort. And Dr. Omar Nabi, he's said to be the man who was behind the wheels, and he drove that car for a long time to actually find this final parking space at Red Fort, where he waited for some time. He did do a recce of the area, but right